Hi, and welcome to Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren. This is
Jordan.
And this is
Jojo.
And today we are gonna make air fryer curly fries.
Curly fries.
So let's put on our apron
Yeah.
and let's get ready to cook. Alright, first what we're gonna do is make sure you wash the potatoes. Wash them really well. Once you got the potatoes washed, you want to make sure and cut out any eyelets. Cut out the eyes, and then you also want to cut off the ends. This will help putting the potato onto the peeler a lot easier. I'd like to introduce my secret weapon. This is the Apple Master paring and slicer and corer. So we picked this up at Apple Hill. It was about $25. And what this is here is a system that will take the peel off as well as core and slice the potato. So we're gonna show you how it works right here. We have a little bowl here to catch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the potato in. For the bigger potatoes, it's gonna be a little harder. There we go. Make sure it lines up. All right, and go ahead and turn, guys. Jordan and Joe are providing the power to peel. It's okay. Keep going. Keep going.
Go faster. Here.
Okay, keep rotating together.
Do this to editing.
See how it's peeling? It produces a core inside as well as the curly potatoes. So you want to rotate it at a nice, slow, even pace all the way to the end until it gets all the way through. There you go. And we just pull off the rest of the potato. And we have a little core here, which we'll slice up as well and use as a fry.
It's a cord.
Soak the potato in cold water. You may also want to swish it and clean some of the potato. Bring some of the dirty water out. Once the potatoes have soaked, you're going to want to strain them. Or some people use a paper towel. But in this case, I am going to use a salad spinner. So we'll shake out the water here. Alright, stick it on here.
Fry. Thank you.
Put the potatoes in
Wait,
the salad spinner. This will dry them out pretty quick. So these are the batter ingredients. We have flour here.
Powder.
We have onion powder. Garlic powder.
Garlic powder. And
2 teaspoons of paprika. Garlic salt. And a teaspoon of regular
salt. And then
a cup of water.
And then here's
Mix it into this bowl. Jordan and Joe are going to add the ingredients. First, we're going to add the flour. Put it into the bowl. Just take the bowl and dump it in. Next, we're going to add the spices. Gonna dump that in. And then Jordan's gonna mix it up. Mix it up really well. And Joe is going to help me put the water in. And you're gonna mix it up. Mix it really well. So you want the batter to be a liquidy consistency so that it evenly coats the potatoes.
Sauce.
Okay, we got the cores out. These are the cores of the potato. What we're gonna do is slice off the ends on both sides. And then we are going to split them in half. And then another half so that they are into strips. Once you got a good batter consistency, it's time to add the potato.
Yes.
Okay, make sure it's all coated in there. Separate them if they're sticking together. See how it kind of evenly coats them. So we've preheated the air fryer to 370, and we're going to put our curly fries in now. Just spread them out evenly. You stick them in so that they don't clump together. Alright, it's time to flip them over. Let's check them out. Alright. Flip them over. Yep. Flip them over. Toss them a little bit here. And spray them with a little olive oil. Back in. Alright, these should be done. Extra crispy. So, dress it up. Here they are. What I like to do is add a little parsley. Just sprinkle it here on top. And then I add a little extra seasoning salt on top. And they're ready to go. You can serve it with some ketchup or your favorite dipping sauce. Hi, Joe and Jordan.
Hi. Hi.
Are you guys ready to try the
Yeah.
curly fries?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and try it.
So it's kind of like really yummy, and I can taste the salt and stuff. And yeah, that's what it tastes like, and it's really good.
And it's crispy.
And it's soft. We bite.
Alright, thanks for watching Yee Fit Fuel. This episode on curly fries using the air fryer. If you like this kind of videos, like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Bye. And there's the subscribe button. And